Hey guys, this is Andy, the bearded practitioner, and today I'm coming at you with another review.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, this is Andy again, the bearded practitioner, and today I have yet another review, and today we are doing Kingsmen Beard Clube. Yes, I have tried them throughout the last couple years that I've been doing stuff. I don't think I've ever actually done a review on them, so I'm excited to be able to bring this to you. Today we are doing the Wizard. The Wizard is a Blueberry Thyme scent. Oh my goodness, we'll talk about it in a few seconds. First we'll talk about price, $19.99 for his butter, which is what I tried. It is a whipped butter, if you look at it. It's whipped, and I've used the heck out of this. And so what is the main things that I love about this? The scent is one of the main things I love about this. The scent is that blueberry thyme, not too fruity, but the thyme, I think, kind of settles it down almost into, again, a cologne scent. It is just great. And I'm not a big fruity fan. I've tried a couple fruity scents. There's only one other one that I like called The Teacher from Fable. This one is the second one of all the ones I've ever tried that I would actually buy again. The Wizard has just blown me away with how good a feel and beard this butter is. And of course the oil is quality, totally top line quality. Just absolutely love it. You will absolutely love it. Your skin will love it. This is really good and nourishing butter. But, you know, a lot of us come for the scent. And again, scent, yes, check box in all of those. If you're into some fruity, even if you're not into some fruity, try it out. This is a really great mix of blueberry and with it just being a little bit more subtle so it's not overwhelmingly fruity. Love it. You guys need to be knocking on the door for this one. Go get it. They have such great scents. I've enjoyed, they're mostly cologne scents. This one's a little bit different, but it still is almost in that cologne category because it just smells like a fruity floral cologne. Absolutely love it. And I think you guys will too. So have a nice day. Go check them out.
It sound right, boy.